Welcome to today's look at how the European Union is accelerating its circular economy ambitions. Major policies like the anticipated Circular Economy Act and the new Ecodesign for Sustainable Products Regulation, or ESPR, are set to transform how businesses operate. The goal? Make sustainable products standard, slash waste, and boost resource efficiency across the EU. First, let's discuss the expected EU Circular Economy Act. Building on the 2020 Action Plan, a formal proposal is anticipated in 2026. This act aims to promote recycling, reduce waste, harmonize policies across member states, and stimulate innovation in areas like electric vehicles and renewable energy. It's also designed to create demand for secondary raw materials, like copper and lithium, reducing reliance on third countries. Jessica Roswell, the EU's Commissioner for Environment, is championing this, with more details expected through 2025. Now, let's turn to the Ecodesign for Sustainable Products Regulation, the ESPR, which came into force on July 18, 2024. This is a game changer, replacing the 2009 Ecodesign Directive and expanding its scope far beyond just energy-related products. It now covers nearly all physical goods sold in the EU, from textiles and furniture to electronics and construction materials. The ESPR introduces stricter criteria for durability, repairability, reusability, and recyclability. It also mandates a digital product passport, a unique digital record for products providing transparency on sustainability and compliance. The Commission expects to adopt a delegated act on DPP service providers near the end of 2025. Critically, the ESPR includes a ban on the destruction of certain unsold consumer products, starting with apparel and footwear from mid-2026 for larger firms. The first ESPR working plan for 2025 to 2030 will prioritize products like steel, aluminum, textiles, furniture, tires, and mattresses for new eco-design requirements. Specific requirements for product groups will be introduced via delegated acts starting from Q2 2025, with textiles likely by late 2026 or early 2027, and steel by Q4 2026. Repairability scores are also on the horizon for certain electronics. So what does this mean for businesses? Significant changes. Companies will face new obligations in product design, manufacturing, and end-of-life management. This will push many to transform business models, perhaps towards product as a service, and enhance repair services. Supply chains will need to adapt, with a focus on local sourcing and material traceability. While challenging, this also opens doors for innovation in sustainable products and circular models. Robust data management will be crucial, driven by ESPR and the Corporate Sustainability Reporting Directive, or CSRD. The EU is also offering incentives for businesses adopting circular practices, and green public procurement will further boost demand for sustainable products. Beyond these, 2025 will see other key initiatives progress. Under CSRD, around 11,000 large companies will report on their circular economy performance for the first time in 2025, based on 2024 data. The EU Green Claims Directive will tackle greenwashing. Revisions to packaging and waste legislation aim for all EU packaging to be reusable or recyclable by 2030, and to reduce food and textile waste. Key dates to watch: Q2 2025 onwards for ESPR delegated acts. By July 19, 2025, an implementing act will detail disclosure on unsold destroyed goods. The EU Batteries Regulation due diligence obligations apply from August 18, 2025. The formal proposal for the EU Circular Economy Act is expected in 2026, and the ban on destroying unsold apparel for larger companies starts mid-2026. Businesses are urged to proactively adapt. This means increasing use of secondary materials, exploring circular business models, and investing in sustainable tech. The EU's vision is an economy where circular models thrive, helping achieve climate neutrality by 2050 and boosting global competitiveness in sustainable industries. Stay informed and prepare for change.